Antinomy. Head bowed over the ranks and files, the pieces arranged in their order, armies in stasis, intense in the silence. The general speaks to a land in denial, and chaos awaits to instill its disorder. All-knowing flame licks at its presence. The bucket leaps into the well, the oxygen aerates the spring, the taste returns with the smell, the specific abandons the thing. If life is distilled in the fractional, it could be as touched as a breeze. Is it errant to hear the ineffable, if marginalized by degrees? Idea sets forth like a wonderkind. Ages undone have left it in tatters. Red banners stream in the wind, essence extracted from matter. Zero is left to center the balance or empty a charge passing through. Metrics occur as a matter of chance, heat and light, vaporized dew. Should it come to a question of faith, bounded by strictures tied to opinion, the contrary facet belies a belief. Accept the sparkle, reject the religion. If you're in motion, you can propel it, absent of presence, freedoms of grace help you accept the scars on your face, or watch the infernal recede in the infinite. Whether frozen or flooding, alluvial spirit melts in the presage that changes displace. The infinite drowns in its element, space. Difference makes them the same, whether as change or its opposite. The axis aligns the polar position that proves a submanic domain and reinstates what it is to intuit. South and north are an inversion. Inanimate soul asserts that body cannot revert to its formless state. An antipode crawls out of entropy, accepts the constraints of its fate. As deep as the roots of the sky, marching in columns like fingers, lightning that networks the eye, branches, diffuses, and lingers. Land over land is an ambient light, a plane that sparkles and settles. Each star is a doorway to night that hinges on gargoyles or angels. In a circular wind, in triangular sails, positive, negative, now zero sum, to spirit life back to a comet's tail. We are dust, we are yet to become. Dust of the earth, air meets its other, within its surrounds or indefinite ends. Circumference spinning out of its center, turns on itself. A straight line bends. It travels the whistling whir of a curve, watches as lines fan out in its circles. Awake in the rounds of dizzying whirls, gyration causes the cosmos to swerve into the raw opened network of nerves. Sapwood is marked by bird's eye burls. Cirrus flies high in its spirals and curls. Will you come out to the forest today? Pipes can be heard when the wind dies down. Light and dark tremble, shudders the sighs. As heat moseys on and sun showers play on a bluebell carpet, the citadel skies drown in a radiant praise. The threshold surprise, the verge that glows golden is buttercups. A passage of petals glides by in a stream. Out of the quiet, sun-colored yellow disrupts a deep asleep state in a riverbank dream. Ferns are so dense, earth remains cool. There is no shadow when absent of light. There is no algae to thicken the pool, just sunlight in day and moonlight in night. An increased opacity lessens the clarity. Currents down deep pick clean the bones, nourish small fishes that trend to the sea, drift in the ocean, and die close to home, which is not to say they live just to die. Not to be silent, death's foaming spray is circling in eddies, is sucked to the sky. Death upon death comes day after day. But this is not death, it is evening to night. It is twilight to day, it is dawn to the sun. Not absent of dark, nor constant of light. It has no beginning, nor ever is done. Come to the forest now, glide on a stream. Song makes its nests in bowers of birds. First come the wings, then come the words. Then comes the drifting afloat in a dream. Then comes a question in search of a theme. Not that it happened, time was deferred. It lives on in forever, which never occurred.